Her name was Aira Solis, a young radio astronomer with an unusual talent. She could hear patterns in static that others missed. While most scientists analyzed cosmic noise with data and software, Aira listened. She believed the universe was hiding a message, an echo from the very beginning. Everyone thought she was crazy until one night, the silence broke. One evening, while scanning microwave frequencies, Aira detected a strange rhythm hidden in the cosmic background, radiation, a whisper from 13.8 billion years ago. It was subtle, like a heartbeat beneath the static. She spent weeks isolating it, amplifying it. The sound seemed to pulse like something alive. And then it hit her. This was the sound of the Big Bang itself, but how could sound exist in space, and how was she hearing it now? Aira built a simulation, feeding the frequency into an AI model of the early universe. What she saw was astonishing. The early universe expanding faster than light, filled with plasma and energy, forming the seeds of galaxies. The sound she heard wasn't sound like we hear on Earth. It was a pressure wave rippling through the hot, dense soup of the early universe. These waves left imprints, tiny temperature differences, in the cosmic microwave background, and Aira had somehow isolated one. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space, it was the expansion of space itself. In the first fraction of a second, the universe went from smaller than an atom to larger than a galaxy. During this time, sound-like pressure waves rippled through the hot plasma. These ripples became what we call baryonic oscillations, and they left fingerprints we still observe today in the cosmic microwave background, CMB, which is the afterglow of the Big Bang. Aira didn't hear sound through air. She decoded a mathematical echo, frozen in radiation. Sitting under the stars, Aira closed her eyes and played back the recording. It was faint, ancient, but it told a story. She wasn't just hearing noise, she was listening to the universe's first breath. Aira proved that the universe still speaks to us, if we know how to listen. The Big Bang wasn't just a moment, it's still happening as the universe continues to expand, and maybe, just maybe, the answers to our biggest questions are hidden in the quietest signals.